Girl, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Go check it out. It's worth it. Absolutely. They're going to sell out. So go ahead. Put it in the cart. Check out. Buy. I'll put it back together. Okay. If you like, why do I always clap? Why? Why? Why do I always clap? That's so weird. I never do that. Now all of a sudden when I'm filming, I clap after everything. I don't know. Don't ask me why. Okay. But yes. My Sephora favorite kits. I'm so excited, y'all. I can't wait. I can't wait to try it on. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this. You can rip it, but I'm gonna cut it because I'm gonna try to save it. I'm weird in the sense because I want to save it like decor. I love it for my makeup room, so I want to kind of keep the packaging. I know it's cute. Well, the price for this one is the Sephora favorites. It's giving nude lip. It is $45 and it's $122 value, retail value, and you got. Oh my God, there's 3 full sizes in here. Full size. Yeah, there's 3 full sizes. So this is a full size. The lip liner and the House Labs oil is a full size. And so right now I don't have any lipstick because I wanted to try this out. But so this is how it comes in. So you can see all the goodies in the bag. And the first thing is this Merit lip liner. Then you got the Forget the Filler lip plumper in nude. Oh, look at how pretty this is. Then you have the House Labs, and this is in the color Cocoa. Then you have the Laneige Glaze, Sugar Glaze. How pretty. Don't look at my nails, y'all. It looks so bad. I need to go get my nails done. Then we have the Makeup Forever in the Whenever Walnut. Oh, I love this lip liner. This color in the lip liner, I love it, from Makeup Forever. And then, the last 2, which are the Maracuja Plumping Lip Oil. This one is in the color Cinnamon. How pretty. And then one of my faves, the YSL, the lip oil. Yeah. The YSL Love Shine Lip Oil Stick. I love this. I got it in another favorites, Sephora lip favorites, and I loved it. Okay, so this is the lip liner. And so I'm going to let you see. This is a lip liner. Oh, it's kind of really, really, really silky. And then it's really silky. It's really pretty. But it's like a nice brown. Then we have this. Oh, look at the applicator. It's like a little donut. Right there. Ooh, that's pretty. Step back. That's pretty. Then this is the Maracuja one. Oh, I like these because they have the little brush tip. Okay, I'm excited about this one. This one's the Makeup Forever one. Look how pretty. It's such a pretty nude. I'm going to put it right there next to the Maracuja so you can see. And then this is the YSL lipstick. I'm going to put it right here. Oh, that's a pretty shine. I love that. And then the Lawless. Look at the filler. You know, guys, I've been loving the other one that I have in like cherry. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like such a pretty like nude. And then the last one, the House Labs in Cocoa. Oh, this is pretty. So yeah, these are so cute. Okay, I'm going to try some of them and see what they look like on me. Okay, I'm going to try the lip. I'm going to try the lip liner. Oh, that's already so pretty. It glides on so nice. Ooh, okay, girl. I'm going to take a little lip liner brush and I'm going to kind of smooth it. I'm going to smooth that out. And I'm going to put, I really want to try this YSL one. Ooh. That is so rich. and smooth. Okay. This kit is worth it. I love it. It is $122 retail value. And baby, for everything that you get in here, you need to go get it and have it in your. These are so awesome. There's 3 full-size products in here. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. For 45? Yeah, $45. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. So you get all of these products and the lip liner. All of this. And they are so good. So these are the 3 full-size products. This one, and this one. So these 3 full-size products already are more probably than the kit itself. These other 4. Y'all. Yes, it's so worth it. Now for the other one that has a really cute packaging that I love. I love holographic. If you know me, you know I love holographic stuff. So let's open this one up now. Look at all the products. Nice. So this is $158 value. And you get 2 full-size products in here. And the 2 full-size products are this Refi highlighter and the Kosas brow gel. Oh, I love it. Look at the packaging. Look at how cute it is. So freaking cute. I've never tried this, so I'm excited to try this brow gel. And then I really haven't tried anything from this product, from this line. So this is really pretty. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so this looks really nice. Like it's gonna be a really nice product. And so this is, oh, that's the, oh, that's pretty. Let's see. Oh, there's a dog. Let me see if I can add this to see how it adds a gloss to my, oh, nice. You can add it on top of powder. Ooh, okay. Look at that. That looks really pretty. I'm gonna add some to the other side. It has like a balmy texture, but look how, it is very pretty. I like it. Okay, okay. Oh, yes. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, and so I love this. I love these mini products for my, well, it's not really mini. It's like a mini size would be like a lot smaller, but this is a good size for your makeup bag, like on the go makeup bag. And then I already have one of these and I love them. You probably saw it in my other Get Ready With Me that I just posted recently. And so I had like the little peach one. This one is in the color Strawberry Cream. These are really nice too to have in your purse. The Say Warming Glow highlighter. This is also really pretty. Oh, look at that. That's also really nice. Yeah, okay. With these highlighters looking very nice and glowy for the summer. I'm at this one too. See how this looks? Okay. You're gonna see me from outer space, girl. Okay. And then we have the Faced Ribbon Wrapped Lash. I haven't tried this Too Faced mascara out yet, so I'm excited to try that out. X, which I already know. I love this Rare Beauty. I just got one in my other Sephora haul that you saw, that I had the Grateful shade that I love, and I know this is going to last me a long time. This is a backup of the, I already have one from another kit that was really cute from Sephora favorites, so that's going to be like my backup. And then this Tower 28 Watermelon Kiwi. Okay, it's a good size too. The Benna tint, which I have a review coming up of the e.l.f. tint that is, you know, a dupe to this expensive guy right here. So the full size of this is like $30, but this is like a mini size. Just a little thing, which is a mini Prada lipstick. And so, oh no. Oh man, this was kind of melted a little bit. Oh man, it's okay. So, ooh, this is very, very silky color. You get about this much of product. That's a pretty good, decent amount of product to get in a little Prada lipstick. So, all of these items, I'm gonna try to hold them all up together so that you can see. So, all of these items. One, I said 2 of the items are full size, so you're getting this full size and this full size. So, a nice brow gel and a nice like highlighter, and you could possibly also use this all over your body too, girl. Yes, ma'am. These 2 kits are absolutely worth it, girl. You need to go check them out. This kit and this kit, y'all, it's a good deal. If you're about buying it, I think that you should try it. All these things that you get in these kits, they're awesome. They're good. It's a good deal. Good like this follow for more. I have lots of content just like this coming out with reviews, things that you're on the fence about buying. Girl, I will buy it and I will review it for you, and then I'll tell you if it's worth it or not. Let's keep building this community. So I am so thankful for you guys who have already been giving me suggestions of videos to do. I am on that, and those are coming up. But yeah, so I will see you in my next one. Bye.